was not allowed, was not constitutional. Akuti boma ku South Africa lalamula kuti achina operation dodolaji zimene apanga za illegal, sizololedwa m'malamulo aku South Africa kulibe, ndipo pasapezeke so achina operation dodula akuyima m'misewu, akuyima mzipatala, ndikumafunsa anthu kuti where is your document? No, go abahambe, no abahambes. So actually the news imene ili ku South Africa pakadali pano imene ndithu high court judge ndithu walamula kuti asazaonenso achita operation dodula akuyima mzipatala, ndikumathamangisa ma foreigners kapena kumawuza kuti passport yako ili kuti. Komanso phatikizapo, in addition to that, even so apolisi asamangowafunsa wanthu kuti we passport yako ili kuti heyo ndi foreigner, heyo makuti ayi akuti pokhapokha pa zinthu zoti zofunikirira kuti munthuyu zofunikira zenizeni osati aliyese kungofika kungodzuka ko basi makasakasaka pa foreigners. No, that's not allowed. Nde imene ndithu ndi breaking news imene ndithu ili ku South Africa, komanso good news kwa foreign nationals in South Africa, kuchifukwa anthu awa they were just breaking laws and rules as well. Amalonga malamulo kwambiri. You can't just udzuka basi kumafunsa anthu kuti iye makuti. And zimapita it's bukhotha na kuti it's xenophobic, right? It's unlawful and xenophobic. So Operation Dodula, now I think you can go to hell. Thank you.
Hey, I saw breaking news today. I thought I was done with content, but Operation Dodula, come. Wazandla, ne supporters zenu, come here. The court has ruled, and I want to read this judgment for you. But before I read it, I want to say to you guys, I have said this so many times. South Africa is not governed by emotions. You can be emotional and turn red. As long as you don't follow and abide by the Constitution of South Africa, uzawubanjwa mntasekhaya. Uzawulala phaya eseleni. Hey, you? Okay, let's get right into it. So we just got breaking news that the Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg has interdicted Operation Dodula from performing various actions against foreign nationals, which includes interfering with access to healthcare services, as well as intimidation, harassment, and assault. Nizawubanjwa, nizawulala eseleni mntasekhaya. Yabona? Nizawulala nibali wi Christmas sobe nike. Let's get right into the judgment. So I'm going to try to summarize this as quickly as possible. It says here, this is part of the judgment. Number one, it is hereby declared that only an immigration officer or a police officer has the power in terms of Section 41. Yeva? Section 41, Constitution keleyo. Yeva? Imiqathango keleyo that governs South Africa. Not your emotions. You will turn red, mtaseka. You will blame the EFF. You will kick and scream until and nothing is going to happen. Sikoto Section 41 because that is the law. South Africa is not governed by emotions. That's one thing that I've been consistent in saying. It is not governed by your emotions. Wazak and the Sinikote Constitution. Siko Section 41 Asitu nomsindo. City Code Section 41 nizawubanjwa. Ndawulala eseleni nini. In terms of Section 41 of Immigration Act 13 of other identity Immigration Act 13 of other identity documents to demonstrate her or his rights to be in a Republic of South Africa, and no private person has the power to do so unless expressly so authorized by the law. Tifuna nibalwe ke nina because nizenza umthetho nina. The first respondent, the 11th and the 12th respondents B and are hereby interdicted and restrained from demanding that any private person produce her or his passport or other identity documents to demonstrate his or her rights. You are not allowed to ask someone for their identification. You are not allowed to. Awungomthetho. if you come to me and ask for my ID, you are not allowed to. If you go to a foreigner and you ask for their ID, you are not allowed to. Whether they are a foreigner or what, you are not allowed to. The law does not allow you. Okay, fine. Number 3, the first respondent, the 11th and the 12th respondent B, and are hereby interdicted and restrained from intimidating, harassing, assaulting any individuals that they identify as foreign nationals. You are hereby, interdicted and restrained. Ningandiwe, niyekisiwe. To intimidate, harass, assault any individual that you identify as foreign. Even if you live foreigner, you are not allowed to. You are not allowed. Uzawubanjwa. December uzumtya. Awuzumtya uDecember. Number B. I got interrupted by a call. Number C. Number B, making public statements and constitute hate speech on the ground of nationality, social origin, ethnicity at public gatherings or social media platforms. On social media platform, dizani recorder xa nithetha apha ku-TikTok nizawubanjwa. Sizawunirecorda gqiba sihambe siyoyiposta pha. Sigqoka ke sibathega abantu bomthetho nizawubanjwa. Guys, you can read for yourselves. I will shoot another YouTube video. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I've been making so much content today. I'll definitely do another YouTube video. I'm not gonna read the whole thing now. But nizawubanjwa. What December? Now mnuke jail.
It's your boy again, Umaveli, aka The Comeback. You know, I've been receiving a lot of calls from Operation Dudula members. Private calls. I don't know which Batuma Umawabu Zandile or these kids have decided to take it upon themselves to give me those calls. They are telling me to stay away from Operation Dudula, Zandile. I must stop talking about Dudula. Yazi, hey, labantu la. Yabona about tomorrow's about Operation Dudula bangayanga scale, bangawazi umnyango wesikolo. They don't even know in this day of age that we've got the technology to even trace a private number, private account like with TikTok, fake account, we can find you. Yazi, I think they are mistaking me for being a keyboard warrior or an influencer. You can go around threatening I'm an influencer on social media, which are speaking ill against Operation Dudula. I'm not an influencer, I'm a soldier, man. Ngila, I'm on the ground. Any day, indoda engifunayo izongithola la for a confrontation any day. Anginqene ngindoda, anginyonyobeli futhi ngindoda. Ningangizwa ngikhuluma isiZulu ngishanga nePO from Giyani. So if you want me, ningangifonele ngama private number ngiqonde ngqo. Ungitshele ukuthi bafo azishe phela. Asikhali. Yeah. Gone are those days bafethu ukuthi the Tsongas, the Pedis and the vendors are just gonna be ibhola leni. You were busy nama Zimbabwe lapha. The Zimbabweans were playing the Magandi, turning the other chicken bashange empama banika nalesi sihlathi. Not the Tsongas and the Pedis and the vendors. You won't do that in Giyani, Polokwane and Thohoyandou. You're not gonna do that. And you know, in fact, let me put this video. What was the inception of this thing? Because today Operation Dudula is playing victim. Yeah, I'm the victimized. Operation Dudula is a victimizer. They're tribalists, xenophobic. This guy is from my village, you know.
Tag times 7. Tag. Tag. I don't care what Bora. I don't give a shit.
In fact, Operation Dudula, if you want me to stop making videos, wazani zohlawula ngenkomo eGiyani lapha. Wazani eGiyani zohlawula ngenkomo lapha. For calling my fellow brother Kwerekwere, Nina. And uZandile, she's the face. Ingane, your Operation Dudula, my disrespect, I insult her. She's the face of Operation Dudula. She's the ambassador. Tena sibona uZandile, so responda kuZandile, si responde ingane nasidlale ingane encane. So do not play us in Operation Dudula. And as South African, don't be misguided. You see in Johannesburg being cleaned today. Ama robots are sebenza, everything is functioning. Ramaphosa is cleaning Johannesburg because of G20. It's not because of Operation Dudula influence, that minority group. Ramaphosa is a publicist and he wants to look good in the international community. So ningazosidlalela nina Operation Dudula. Ningazofika lana nizozenza ama-mafia like mina. Ngisosha mina. Hey bo nali party bo. Nali party lambo. Operation Dudula. Hey bo. Sengifonela ngama-private number nina. Nizongithreatenisha. Hayi bo nina. Hey. Hayi bafana bami, you just filled me with so much encouragement to keep on going for you, mfana kids.